My dad is a hero of mine, so for his birthday I decided to celebrate by inviting him along with me to West Palm Beach, Florida to drive some McLarens. This was going to be his first plane ride, but little did he know, there was going to be a lot of new firsts for him. McLaren hooked us up with this beautiful hotel along the coastline. After we got there, and attempting to pronounce the O hotel like an idiot, we got to the room and noticed this nice gift bag courtesy of McLaren. It was full of nice little goodies. Then we went outside and admired the cars. So what do you think of the car, Dad?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Awesome.
You said your favorite color is red, as opposed to the orange right over there.
I like the white.
Yeah?
I haven't seen the black yet. Gray's okay.
So they do have a black, but I don't know, I like the bright colors personally.
Yeah, I like the calipers are red, cars red accents, black carbon fiber.
Black just hides the contours of the car.
Yeah.
So whether it's red, like bright colors like red, or orange, it shows it off more.
Oh my goodness. Look at the cross-country van.
I go up.
Look at the van.
McLaren let us choose which one we wanted, and then we hopped in our convoy, that looked like a bunch of Skittles, and headed to the racetrack.
Goodbye. That was half, Dad.
That was crazy.
That was half. I could definitely see myself driving this thing. Arm out the window. I look like a natural. He's pushing it. Big smile on his face.
I guess.
Fist bump that.
Hey, that was awesome.
How fast did you get up to?
I'll be looking at 100.5.
Yeah. I stopped looking at the very end, because I was too focused on.
I was shifting. I was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you had a manual mode too.
Yeah.
Okay. Then McLaren's professional driver decided to take us for a spin.
The real deal. This guy's sick. Oh, that's so awesome.
We had a great time. Drove around a track, learned the true meaning of a word, went 160 miles per hour, did the quarter mile in just over 10 seconds, seen a strange bird that wouldn't stop looking at me, ate some cheesecake at the Cheesecake Factory, fine dined with some filet mignon faux gras, ate some more cheesecake, and then headed back to the hotel. Went swimming, found Nemo and his dad, and finished up the day. Some say life is measured based on success or finances or what title you have. Others say it's what you leave behind. What I know is that happiness has a lot to do with it. And in this moment with my dad, I was happy.